The student of Tripoli Buet, we made laser audio transceiver for our communication laboratory project. Now I am going to discuss about our project. The laser communication system transmits sound or music signals through a laser beam. And this is, you can see that this is our laser beam. The intensity of the laser beam changes with the amplitude of the sound signal. The variation in the intensity of the laser beam is converted into a variation in the voltage level by using a micro solar panel. The voltage variation on the solar panel is amplified by a low voltage audio power amplifier and reproduced by a speaker. Our project consists of two parts: transmitter circuit and a receiver circuit. In our transmitter circuit, we use a mobile phone as an audio source, and the audio signal is fed into this LM386 via a 3.5 mm audio jack. We know that LM386 is an audio amplifier, and finally LM386 is connected to a laser. You can see this laser. We also use a potentiometer to control the gain. This is our receiver circuit. We use micro solar cell to receive the laser beam which is coming from the transmitter circuit. Micro solar cell is connected to this LM358, an audio amplifier. The output of LM358 is further amplified by this LM386 amplifier. For hearing the output of LM386, we use a speaker. We also use a potentiometer to control the gain of the receiver circuit.
Now we'll see how our circuit works. And you're seeing this is the transmitter circuit and this is the receiver circuit, and the distance between receiver and transmitter is almost 2 feet. Now we'll play the song Teenage Dream. And we're seeing that the audio is transmitting through laser. And we can hear the song from the speaker. This is the laser through which the audio is transmitting. We see that the laser is incident on this micro solar cell, and then we can hear the song from the speaker. If we stop the laser to incident on this solar cell, we can't hear any song. So we can't hear any song. And if we remove the barrier, then we can again hear the song. So this is the first demonstration of our project. Then we'll increase the distance and see again how our circuit works. Now we have increased the distance between our transmitter and receiver. We're seeing that the distance between receiver and transmitter is almost 8 feet. Now we'll play the song again. So we can see that the audio is transmitting through laser. And we can hear the voice from the speaker. And if we stop the laser to incident on this solar panel, no sound can be heard.
We can see that if we increase the distance, the audio quality remains almost the same as before. That's all about our project. We are especially grateful to our course teachers, Deepjyoti sir and Mahanaz ma'am, for guiding us. Thank you all for watching.